In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Solflare wallet. If you want your balances and token values to display in a currency you recognize, like USD, EUR, or another local option, you can change that right inside the Solflare browser extension in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where everything is. Start by opening your web browser on your computer. Solflare runs as a browser extension, so make sure you're using a browser that supports extensions such as Chrome, Brave, or Edge. Once your browser is open, look toward the upper right of the window for your extension area. You should see the Solflare icon there if it's pinned. If you have a lot of extensions, it may be grouped behind a puzzle or extensions icon. Pinning Solflare makes it easier to access next time. Click the Solflare extension to open your wallet window. If you're prompted to unlock, do that as you normally would. After the wallet interface loads, look toward the bottom right corner of the window for the settings gear icon. Go ahead and click that to open the settings menu. Inside settings, choose the general section. This is where you'll find basic preferences that control how the wallet looks and behaves. In general, select currency. This option controls which fiat currency your asset values are displayed in across the wallet. You'll now see a list of available currencies. Scroll through the list and click the currency you want to use. The moment you select it, Solflare updates the display preferences for your wallet. You should see token values, portfolio totals, and other fiat-denominated numbers reflect your new choice right away. A couple of helpful notes while you're here. Changing the currency only affects how values are displayed. It doesn't convert or move any assets, and it won't change fees or network behavior. Exchange rates are pulled from pricing providers, so there may be slight differences compared to other apps at any given moment. Also, currency preferences are typically saved locally in your extension, so if you use Solflare on another device or browser, you may want to repeat the same selection there. If you ever want to switch again, just return to the same path. Open the Solflare extension, tap the settings gear at the bottom right, go to General, then Currency, and pick a different option. It's quick, reversible, and handy when you're traveling or tracking prices in a different region. That's all you need to change the currency in Solflare wallet. Thanks for watching, and feel free to follow along and make the change as I do each step on screen.